What is going on, 7-3 fans? Welcome back to the 7-3 Garage. Brandon here. Today we are out in Lake Worth, Florida at JC Customs CNC Machine Works. We are going to be showcasing some pretty awesome billet parts for the OBS trucks. We also have some new products that are going to be coming up for next year, for 2022. So we're going to turn the camera around to JC and we're going to show you guys a lot of these parts and show you how they look on the truck. My man, what you got going on today?
Hey guys, what's up? JC here. Welcome to Brandon's truck. We got
showcase.
a lot of billet on here. First up, we're going to talk about what we stumbled across by accident. Happy accident.
Yes, we did.
Is these idler pulleys that I originally made these for a Gen 2 Lightning for the pulley bridge that I designed. And turns out the idler works on this one. So I guess maybe all Ford idlers across the board could be similar or the same.
Basically what we assumed, yep.
Yep, so these are the options I offer: polished, black, or just machine finish.
Man, and these are top notch. I know this pictures don't do these things justice, but these are awesome. Here's a nice anodized one that can also be machined for the grooves there if you don't want like a polished offset, I guess, if you will, or not really polished, but like a contrast. And this is the one that I have, just the nice standard billet.
So we got the idler on here. Brandon has, I don't know how many miles you got on this one.
I'd say about 200 or 300 miles on this one right now,
and it looks like it's holding up fine. First I've seen it, so I mean, it looks good to me.
Yeah,
it looks good for my house.
Yeah, it came out pretty good, man. And the quality of these things, like I said, guys, is awesome. JC always makes a very top-notch quality product, and we have some other things on the truck that we're going to be kind of showcasing and showing you guys what's going to be available.
So yeah, back to the idler. This is turned, and then I did a mill. I took it back on the mill.
Yeah.
Did some nice tool pass there. Kind of left the aggressive step over to give it some dynamic.
Yeah, pretty
Then
cool.
The bearing goes in, and then you got a groove here. Snap ring will go in there. So the bearing won't come out. It's serviceable too. So if the bearing wears, you can take the snap ring out, replace the bearing, you're good to go.
Sweet.
Other products we have on Brandon's truck are the cap, the coolant cap over here.
Swing over here to this. Yep. This is
cover
billet, and these will also come in, I guess you can do polished, anodized like mine is, or just the raw billet as well, same thing.
And then billet oil cap.
Yep. And this goes right on top, correct, of the existing?
Yep. This is a full cap. Thread on. You got a nice little O-ring in there. Woo. Threads right in. And then the brake cap over there.
Come back on this side.
The brake cap is cool because it's just like factory, right? So you utilize a factory gasket that's in here, and it has grooves in there for breathing, so it works just like factory.
Yep.
So basically you buy the cap, take your old gasket out because these rarely go bad, stick it in, and you're good to go.
Yep. And the cool part about these guys is, again, it's a functional billet piece. It's not just the cap that goes on top and you got to deal with issues, especially with something with the braking system. So it's pretty much foolproof. It's really just a plug and play installation, which is awesome.
Absolutely. The only thing that is a cover is this, because you have a pressure right here. So this is technically a cover over the stock one. That's not coming off. I don't know what is up with that. But that's under the engine bay. That's pretty much it. What I have for right now. I mean, we've been talking about coming out with a lot of stuff. Pretty much all the pulleys, minus the compressor.
Yeah.
I'm probably going to be doing. And I'm not sure about the power steering yet. I still got to look into that.
Yeah, to see, because I know that's it. If you guys have the OBS series truck, the vacuum pump, the pulley is a press-on, and we were worried about pressing on aluminum, which obviously is not nearly as strong as steel. It could potentially warp it and cause some issues.
But the idea is to come out with your own serpentine system, I guess, so you can replace all the pulleys, kind of jazz up the engine bay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go to the interior. The very popular billet door handles we have here. These have been on the market for years now. Yep. Super popular item. This is what I originally came out with for these trucks. Then it turned into this for the wing vent, the plastic one. This is all billet. It locks too, so you don't have to worry about it flinging open.
Yep.
Utilize all your stock stuff, so it works just like factory, right?
Which is awesome. Everyone likes that.
You got a little set screw back here. Yep. So instead of the pin, it's just a set screw with an Allen wrench. So yeah, that's you know, like I said, guys, the products that JC offers, again, these are all top-notch quality stuff. It's not like, you know, cheap aftermarket stuff, and really nice. I've had these on the truck about 8 months now, and they've been fantastic. They look great. They clean up very easily, so depending on what you're using your truck for, they work out in every way that you might need them to. I know some of you guys have seen my LED light install for the HVAC board here.
One of the things I had mentioned in the video, if you've seen it, is the dashboard trim pieces that kind of come here. It's 3 of them. These push in. They are known for breaking and warping over time and cracking and things like that. So if you go to take the dash apart for any reason, they could potentially break. So JC has actually come up with a solution for this problem. This is the first that I know of that this is on YouTube that is being shown.
Yeah.
Is a same product. It's a billet trim piece that's going to take the place of the nice cheap plastic ones that go on here.
So this is the prototype ones. Don't mind the scratches on there, but I was just trying to refine the backside. As you can see, I need to make some minor changes back here so you can utilize the factory clips, because I'm all about OEM fitment, right?
Yep.
I don't want to just stick this in, you have to bolt it in from the backside. I was like, let's just make it how it is, you know?
Yeah, which is awesome.
So the clips will go on here, it'll pop in. We can personalize it.
Yep.
You know, anodize it, whatever you want.
Yep.
I'll do some nice engraving on there for you.
Yeah, so really, JC can make these any way you'd like.
Yeah. So if you got a name of your truck or something and you want to put it on there, you can do multicolors. I mean, it's limitless.
Yeah.
And then these 2 are the smaller ones that go on each side of the steering wheel.
Which is fantastic.
And same thing again. It just utilizes the factory clips, just pops right in like OEM.
Yep, that's the best, guys. I mean, we've talked about this multiple times together over our brainstorming, but having the ability to just plug something in to the factory spot for ease of install is awesome. It just makes it more fulfilling for the product. So
yeah, exactly. Keep that OEM but custom touch. That's what I like to do.
Yep. It's got a little bit of bling to it, and having the offset, and it, like you said, you can have these anodized for any color that you'd like, and personal engraving and stuff. So those are in the works for 2022. We'll have, obviously, there's gonna be more products coming down the pipeline here, but I just want to give you guys a little bit of a showcase of what we had available right now.
Yeah, another product to keep out for is the billet valve covers for the 7.3.
Yes, so those are also going to be coming up as well. I know a few companies out there make them right now, but we are pretty excited about those that possibly next year will be coming out.
Yep.
So that'll be awesome.
Try and be competitive on the pricing.
Absolutely.
I know that's everybody's bottom line, right? How much is it going to cost? It's billet, but I'm going to do everything I can to make it affordable.
Yeah, that would be awesome. You guys, I know everyone likes engine bling. I sure do. So instead of keeping them painted, we'll have some actual billet in there that clean up easy and can take heat and all that cool stuff.
That's it.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. As always, we appreciate the time and the attention. I will put the link for the description for all these products down below so you guys can check them out and get them ordered and get that OBS blinged up, as we like to say here over at JC Customs. If you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me. Check out some new videos. We got a lot of cool content coming up for next year, 2022. That's all the time we got today, but thank you guys for watching. As always, my name is Brandon, that's JC.
JC, baby, ship it.
See you guys next one. This is 7.3 Garage.